The overall look of the Moto G53 can best be described as minimalistic, non-intrusive and dignified. It's the kind of phone that will blend right into any environment. This is partly due to its colorway. The phone can be had in either ink blue, Arctic silver or pale pink. All of the colors are very tame. One of the highlights of the Moto G53 compared to its predecessor is the inclusion of 5G connectivity. It comes courtesy of the X51 5G LTE modem integrated inside the chipset. It should support theoretical max download speeds of 2.5 gigabits per second on 5G. The G53 and its Snapdragon 480 Plus offer dual-band Wi-Fi AC and Bluetooth 5.1 with LE for local connectivity. The Moto G53 comes with a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display. Its predecessor, the G52, has a 6.6-inch, Full HD Plus OLED display at its disposal. So quite the obvious downgrade. The only silver lining is that the display can now refresh at 120Hz instead of 90Hz. The G53 doesn't offer amazing display performance, but it is decent enough for its price point. It comes with a hefty 5000 mAh battery on board. Also, the Snapdragon 480 Plus has already proven in the past to be a very efficient chipset. It does not disappoint. There is no point beating about the bush. The Moto G53 charges slowly. Being a Motorola phone, the Moto G53 runs a very clean, nearly OSP-looking version of Android 13 with just a few Moto mods on top. We still believe that this clean appearance is a selling factor generally applicable to all Moto devices. The camera setup is another area in which Motorola did a downgrade. The Moto G53 just has a 50MP main snapper and a 2MP macro cam on the back. The Type-C port on the G53 is only wired for USB 2.0 data connectivity, but it does have USB host functionality.
The Moto G53 5G is not a particularly exciting device. It offers a decent overall package with things like stereo speakers, solid build quality, a 120Hz refresh rate with great management and a big battery with excellent battery life. We do not doubt that the phone will serve less demanding users well.
If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more.